Viltrox is a new brand in the world of lenses. I have many wide-angle vintage lenses, but they have all one thing in common: they are not very fast. So I was really interested to test a 20mm lens that was great for low light. The lens itself is really well made, in a very resistant metal, but it comes with a price. It's heavy, really heavy. But I didn't feel it was a big problem, even handheld for a long time. I think there is a wow factor with this lens when shooting very wide landscapes. It's not deformed like with an 11mm lens, for example. And you can feel like you are standing in front of this landscape when you look at the photo. With the f1.8 option, you can get some good bokeh. Perhaps not the most amazing bokeh ever, but it's a wide-angle lens, and this kind of lenses don't produce a very strong bokeh anyway. With a 20mm field of view, you can capture the subject in his environment, without getting a too small or too big human-to-landscape ratio. It feels natural, like you are witnessing it with your own vision. This lens is very interesting for night shoots. Wide open, you can get more light in and get way more details without raising the ISOs. And this is the part where this lens becomes fantastic, getting a wide shot in deep darkness without the need for a tripod or extra lights. It was a real joy for me to shoot inside a cave without any extra gear. Okay, so this lens is heavy and maybe a little bit too expensive right now, but it's a lens I would definitely keep in my bag for my next adventure in a dark place.